lots of disinfectant, which like products you spray to kill the viruses, bacteria, yeast, and mold. And these disinfectant, they have approval from Health Canada. They have what we call a drug identification number. So they are considered drug. When you spray it, it kills all the viruses, pathogenic bacteria, viruses, yeast, and mold. And we also have some products approved by Agriculture Canada and CFIA, like the Bioscience PHP. So, and we have also products like regular, like probiotics products. For example, when you give it in the feed for animal health, you know, they play a role as a probiotic, and they are also antibiotic replacement technologies. So we have so many technologies that we produce here. We produce disinfectant, we produce chemicals, we produce biotechnology-based product based on bacteria. So what we are proposing to you, because you have a big need in Africa for it, so that's what we'll be proposing for you, not regular degreasers or cleaners, but mostly biotechnology-based product, and also products that are green, but they can kill viruses and bacteria such as Ebola. They can disinfect the water, for example, or the products that you can spray on crop protection to protect the crops like fruits and vegetables, but also to improve the yield of the crop, like it gives you more fruits and gives you more vegetables. This is amazing, and I'm very proud about our relationship with you, because you have at heart, Mr. Fritz has at heart, it's like to do good for Africa. So how we can do good for Africa with the growing of population in Africa? They need more food. Plus there is the sanitary issue where you have lots of bacteria and viruses. So we can have a very positive impact in Africa in two sectors. The first sectors is like to kill the pathogenic bacteria, viruses on surfaces, in water, in the air, with our green products. So our products are green, they are not like toxic or poisonous product. So from one side we can kill all the pathogenic bacteria that are everywhere in Africa and attacking kids, you know, like the Ebola viruses or other viruses, with our disinfectant, with our green sanitizers. Can help the growing population in Africa, because we have products that, like this one, Bioscience PHP, once you give it with irrigation water for plants, for fruits and vegetables, not only it will control the fungi which are in the roots or in the soil or in the roots of plants, attacking the plants, but also it will improve the yield. For example, we can improve the yield by 20 to 40%. Imagine you are doing like you are growing cucumbers or tomato. Instead of having, for example, 1,000 kilo of tomato, you can have 1,200 kilo of tomato by using our product, which will boost the yield of the plant. So such a product it will have very positive impact for Africa, because it's very concentrated. You just put a little bit, 1 liter per hectare, for example, and you will boost your yield by 20%, so you'll have more food to feed the people in Africa. So we propose these products because we know there is a need with the growing population. Like this product, for example, not only it will boost the yield, not only it will kill the pathogenic fungi and bacteria which are in the soil, but as we discussed with you and with Mr. Fritz in the past, it will decompose all the organic toxic compound in the soil. So let's say, for example, that the African soil have been polluted with toxic compounds for so many years, and these toxic compounds are stressing the plant, so the plants are not growing. You add this product, it will break down. We call it bioremediation or bioregeneration of soil. It will break down the organic compound, so there is no more toxic compound stressing the plant. So once you apply this product to the soil, the plant will grow faster and the soil will be regenerated, because the soils in Africa have been used for years and years and years, and they need like such products to regenerate the soil. So this product, it will have very positive impact in Africa to boost the yield, to control the fungi, and to bioremediate the soil. So again, I highly recommend this product, because And, we have tried it in so many countries around the globe, in Germany, in Europe, in Canada, and USA, and we have very, very good results. That's why we are excited to bring it to Africa. I'll give you an example. For example, tomato and peppers. We've been able to promote the yield of tomato and pepper by 20 to 30%. So it's a lot. For example, let's say your acre of tomato was giving, for example, this amount of tomato and pepper. So we have scientific data that were done on farms here in Canada that they saw by using this product we have 20 to 40% increase in yield. So we have good results on tomato and pepper, 20 to 40%. Cucumber, likewise, we have up to 40% increase in the yield of cucumber. We tried it also on rice in China. We tried it also in Canada and on potatoes, because potatoes in USA and Canada is very big too. Well, likewise, we observed from 15 to 30% increase in yield. So here growers, they use it on lettuce, on strawberry, tomato, pepper, cucumber, rice, all these type of fruits and vegetables to promote the yield. So again, it's unique product in terms of the effect that it does, but that's how it do it. So we propose the farmers to use it, for example, 1 liter per hectare. If they see, for example, 20% increase in yield, they are happy. But if they want more, they can increase a little bit the concentration, so you can optimize how much your acre or your hectare is giving by increasing a little bit the concentration. We are thinking about to make it cost effective, so we are proposing right now 1 liter per hectare, so it's very concentrated to get your percentage increase in yield. I'll give you an example so easy. Like 1 liter per 1,000 liter. You know, one tote, the 1,000 liter. Yeah. Just put 1 liter of this per 1,000 liter water, clean water, of course, and spray it on a contaminated soil, like soil which nothing can grow inside. It will break down everything. So. You are talking so no. So these bacteria, look, for example, if you check this product, let me tell you what it contains. So okay. This type, it contains bacteria, these type of bacteria that we have inside. I will read them to you: Bacillus licheniformis, Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus migratorium. So these bacteria, when they go inside the soil, they grow, they colonize the soil, and they start secreting. They produce what we call EPS, exopolysaccharide. The exopolysaccharide, it's a biofilm produced by this bacteria. So let's say you don't have much water for the soil. You have little water. When you irrigate a little water, these droplets of water, they will not go. They will be retained by the EPS, by the exopolysaccharide that this bacteria secreted. So if you have a drought, or if you have something, or you don't have enough water, the plants will grow faster because the water is retained by the exopolysaccharide that are secreted by this bacteria. Mm-hmm. So that's the beauty of it. So not only it will clean up your soil, it will break down your soil, even if you don't have enough water to let it grow, your water that you add, the little bit of humidity or water you add will be retained, and the plant will grow faster. So all these very important. Plus, it will fix the nitrogen from the air. It uses nitrogen, all those stuff to have the plant grow faster. Oh yeah, for the barns and animals, it's also, we have the Novo Biotic product, and this product is amazing because, as you know, the problem with antibiotics, like the antibiotics is given to humans, to plants. Imagine, like for example, like pears or apple trees, they give it antibiotics to control the bacteria, and they give it to animals too. and sometimes these animals will become develop resistance against the antibiotic. So we have a product, it's a Novobiotic. It's a good product. It's also based on bacteria. These bacteria, which are in the products, they secrete lipopeptides, which they act as antibiotic, lots of antibiotic. So by giving this probiotic product for example, chicken, beef, poultry, and what it does, it replaces the antibiotic, but also it will help the chicken and the animals to grow faster, develop more weight, what we call feed conversion factor, so they will become healthier, heavier, and with less bacteria. So the products that we give, for example, the bacteria that we give, which is based on bacillus in the Novobiotic, it will control the pathogenic bacteria which attacks the birds, the chicken, and the beef, for example. All these salmonella bacteria which are pathogenic, E. coli, and listeria will be controlled by the Novobiotic. So we can give the animal farms sector in Africa a very good product which can replace antibiotic and stop the buildup of resistance in antibiotic and make your chicken not only kill the disease but make your chicken grow faster and healthier too. And this is all biotechnology based products. So these are good products that are being used here developed here in North America, that is very useful for the African market too. As the animals, the problem of fish, it's like they get lots of antibiotic. Okay, so we have a product also based on a bacteria, which once you give it to the fish also industry, it will replace the antibiotic and it will make also the fish healthier. They grow healthier with weight and in health too. So we try to replace all the bad toxic chemicals that they are giving to the fish, as well as the antibiotics. We replace them by good bacteria, which are good for the fish health. So all the animals, if it is fish, if it's poultry, if it's beef, all these type of animals, whatever you want, we have special biotechnology-based product that we give it to kill the disease in fish, but also to make the animal grow faster and better and healthier. Very good question. So for water, we can divide water always into two parts. We divide water into potable water or regular water. When it comes to potable water, we have products approved by NSF. It's very important here in North America. Are approved by NSF to disinfect the water. It's very concentrated. You don't put a lot. You put, like, for example, 1 liter per million liter of these products to disinfect the water. So people in Africa will not get like cholera, will not get sick, will not get these type of viruses. We call this product here, the line which is NSF approved by the organization of NSF, we call it Purifier 1 and Purifier 2. So Purifier 1 and Purifier 2, they are aimed for this disinfection, the potable water. But if you are telling me about regular water, for example, to take a shower and stuff like that, we have a unique product which will disinfect water or storage water. And as for example, in hospitals, sometimes you go to a hospital to make an operation, you get the operation, you get out sick. Why? Because you took a bacteria from water coming from the storage tank. So we have a bioxy product that you put in the storage tank to control the bacteria in these storage tanks. So no pathogens will develop. For example, if you brush your teeth, for example, you will get sick. You will get sick from doing simple stuff. So we have, for example, this product that I have here, a Bioxy. Bioxy, it's a powdered product, it's patented product. So we have a patent in it, approved here in Canada. We use it a lot. It's adopted by the American Army, even they use it. to disinfect water. So this is to disinfect water and surfaces. For example, the American Army, they did a study on this one to show its efficacy against Ebola. It kills Ebola, for example. So this product is amazing for wastewater and for regular water. For potable water that we drink, we use the Purifier 1 and Purifier 2.
Okay.
Yeah. I'd like also to stress that I heard about Africa and what's happening in their healthcare facilities. There are so many pathogens in the hospitals and in the medical and dental clinics. So by using such product like Bioxy, it's very concentrated. If you use it, for example, at 1%, only 1%, 10 grams per liter, it's a powdered product, you can kill all these type of pathogens in the hospitals, healthcare, and dental care facilities. So this is also can be, the Bioxy Plus can be a hard surface disinfectant for hospitals, for medical facilities, and for dental facilities. So I propose also this product, the Bioxy, for the African healthcare facilities too.
Okay, great.
Pipelines, or we call it also CIP, cleaning in place, we have lots of products. The problem of pipelines, there are two major problems. Like sometimes the water that goes through the pipeline, it's very hard. It contains lots of scale, or calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide. So you have lots of buildup of scale inside the pipeline. Okay, so the pipeline, which is like this, it becomes smaller with time because you have buildup of hardness of calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide. So we have a product, just a green product too, that is not corrosive, that you can shoot inside the pipeline to break down this buildup of scale. Number one. Number two, sometimes the buildup, it's not inorganic like calcium carbonate, it can be organic. When it is organic, for example, lots of fats, oil, or petroleum, we also have products to break down all these compounds, the organic compounds that are inside. The problem of this buildup inside the pipeline, it's not only the buildup of scale or organic matter, oil or hydrocarbons, but sometimes it invites bad bacteria to go inside, because bacteria will go inside this buildup to make a biofilm. So you need a product not only just to wash it out or to break it down, but also to kill the bacteria inside. So if you have any problems related to pipelines or buildup inside the pipeline, if it is for water treatment, wastewater treatment, we can solve it here by using some of our products. Again, these products that we are proposing, they are very good pH 7 products, so they are not very corrosive to your pipeline system. I did 2 PhD. My first PhD was on odor control. So odor control is very important, especially in countries where you have lots of population. So, but I'd like to break down odor control and how we do it here. So odor control, it can be like a regular bad smell, like rotten egg smell from hydrogen sulfide. We have a specific product to control hydrogen sulfide smell. It's NTP. So if you are listening to me and you know what I'm talking about, H2S gas, hydrogen sulfide smell in the drains or in the system, we can control it. That's number one. So it's specific to remove H2S, rotten egg smell. Right now, if you are telling me about FEDI, but we have problems also in hotels, in bathrooms, you know, in public arenas or areas, we have different products also to control these type of odor. These type of odor, the bad odors that coming from garbage or coming from bathrooms, they are coming from anaerobic bacteria. So these anaerobic bacteria, which do not require oxygen to breathe, they generate these bad odors. So what we do here, we have a specific line for odor control, and that's the main one. So we call it bioculture. It's living bacteria that when you apply it to any bad odor, by space exclusion, by space competition, they are very competitive. We call it space exclusion. They compete the bad bacteria and they control it and they break down the odor. So for example, if you have garbage, you are a garbage container and it smells very bad, you apply this bacterial product to it, it will break down the odor right away. It it will control the odor. If you have, for example, bad smell in a public area or in a bathroom, you apply the same product, the bioculture product, to control this bad odor. So people, they use it for garbage container, they use it for bathrooms, they use it for general use to leave a fresh, very nice scent, because it has a pleasant scent, and it's continuous because it's living bacteria. It doesn't stop working, breaking down the odor. Some people, they use it on garbage disposal, or garbage bin and stuff like that, to control also the odor. When it comes to wastewater management, now also we have same type of technology, but without the smell and stuff like that. It's type of good bacteria that you apply it in the wastewater that will turn and shift the metabolism to aerobic to prevent the generation of bad odors. So for example, if you have a wastewater, it has lots of bad odors, it has high biological oxygen demand, high organic content, or high turbidity, and you want to reduce it, you want to break down the organic matter, you want to make the bioremediation, and you want to control the odor, you can apply this type of products. This type of products, what it does, once you apply it inside, it breaks down all the organic matter, so the turbidity will go low, the water will be clarified, and the odor will be gone. So that's in general for odor control. So if it is a bathroom, if it's a hotel, if it's a public arena, if it's a smell or wastewater treatment, we can manage it by using our bioculture technology, which is also based on living bacteria. Like, you need two components. You need our products here that will be shipped to Africa, but you need a trained personnel how to apply it. The application concentration, and where to apply it is also very important. So we are not giving you a product just to clean. It's like how you want to apply this product. So you need the product itself, the solution. Our products can be liquid or powder. So you need the product in Africa, and you need someone like yourself who is knowledgeable enough to know how to use it and to apply it to control a specific, for example, odor. So my name is Dr. Fadi Dagger. I am the scientific director of Atome. We've been in business here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada for 25 years. We produce all the products in Canada. We produce the products here. We have more than 150 products approved by the Canadian government. For example, Health Canada, or Canadian Food Inspection Agency, or Agriculture Canada. So we produce all these products here in Canada, and we export, or we sell also here in Canada and everywhere in the globe. So basically, when I say approvals, for example, we do for the medical sector and dental sector. So our company, it's not like other manufacturers of chemicals. We are different because we value a lot the research and development and what we do here. For example, only like this product, for example, as an example, the Bioxy has a patent. So it has all the approvals from Health Canada, from CFIA, Canadian Food Inspection Agency. It has the organic seal. For example, it's approved by EcoCert under Canada Organic Regime as being organic. It's approved also by EcoCert under NOP, so National Organic Program, so it's organic. So we have the certification of organic. We have the certification of the government, like for example, as a sanitizer or as a disinfectant. We have also for this product, and as an example, a patent which is protect us, and we have 7 publications. That's what you want to hear. Like usually companies like us, they don't do peer-reviewed scientific papers. We do it. So there are so many publications about this Bioxy product online. You can check all our articles online. So like a scientist, they took this product, they tested it on so many like pathogens like spores of Clostridium difficile, or spores of bacterial spores, or viruses, or Pseudomonas, or bacterial agent. So we have lots of scientific papers. So that's why the value, it comes from the publications and the trials that we did and the publications that we did on our products. So we are backed up by scientific also scientific So we are very happy to have you here because we know that you have at heart the good of Africa. We are specialized in this too. We would like to help as much as we can to give you green products. Be careful when I say green products, it means products that do not harm the environment. They do not contribute, they don't have residues or toxic residues. So the objective of our technologies are like to solve the issues, but without leaving any residue or any trace of chemicals. So that's why we are into biotechnology, and we are not into chemicals, we are more into biochemicals and biotechnology to solve the problems. How we can help? We can help the agriculture of Africa by boosting the yield. If your plants are not giving enough fruits and vegetables, we can help your plants to give more fruits and more vegetables. If your soil is sick because it has lots of pathogenic fungi, with this product they can control it because our bacteria can control the bad fungi in the soil. So we can boost the agriculture in Africa. We can help the soil of the African soil to yield more fruits and vegetables, to yield more fruits for the people to eat. So that's one. Number two, also we can help the water in Africa to remove all the contamination, especially if it is a virus or a bacteria or cholera or Ebola, stuff like that. We can purify the water in Africa. We can also purify the wastewater in Africa. For example, storage water. Sometimes you store water in a tank, but you brush your teeth or you take a bath, you have Pseudomonas, which kills you. So we have products also inside that can control these type of pathogens. For the regular people at home, working in hospitals, working in facilities, healthcare and dental care, we have also the complete line to disinfect the surfaces. If the surfaces are not clean or they have lots of microbes, we can also help to control that. You mentioned the fish market. Fish market smells bad. Sometimes you need odor control. We can help you with it. Fish sometimes are getting so much antibiotics that's not good for fish. So we have a product specific, a probiotic for fish, which can replace the antibiotic. For the animals in Africa, if we are talking about beef, if we are talking about poultry or even swine in some countries, if they need, we can help them by also giving them a probiotic product which replaces the antibiotic but kills all the salmonella, all the E. coli. So once you eat the meat, you will not get sick by eating meat infected with E. coli or with salmonella. So we can also help the agriculture and the farms and the barns in Africa and the animals in Africa. So basically all is done by using the power of biotechnology. All these products are manufactured here in Canada and they are all approved by the Canadian government for the betterment of human race.